Brez besed je izraz, ki je zaznamoval včerajšnji popoldan v okolici srednje šole Major Stoneman Douglas, približno 1 uro od severozahoda Miamija. O približno 2:30 je bivši dijak vkorakal s polavtomatsko puško in začel množičen strelski pohod. Dijaki so kričali in bežali pred napadom, na katerega se ne moreš nikoli dovolj pripraviti.
We've received no warning, no indication, but again, there's going to be a thorough investigation. Typically, you see in these situations that there potentially could have been signs out there. I would be speculating at this point if there were, but we didn't have any warnings. There weren't any phone calls or threats that we know of that were made.
Storilec je začel streljati znotraj objekta, nato je odšel na ulico, kjer je streljal tudi na mimoidoče. Po informacijah gre za 19-letnega bivšega dijaka. Nicholas Cruz je bil pred letom dni izključen zaradi nasilnega obnašanja. Po besedah guvernerja Floride Ricka Scotta je bil včerajšnji dogodek dejanje čistega zla.
So as soon as you hear something like this is happening, the first thing you start thinking about the families. You think about your own family. As a grandparent and a parent, the first thing you think about is, God, I hope this never happens to my family. Then you think about, you're furious. How could this ever happen in this country? How could this happen in this state? This is a state that is focused on keeping all of our children safe. You come to the conclusion this is just absolutely pure evil. This state does not tolerate violence. We have law enforcement that will always show up to defend our safety.
Dijaki srednje šole so res doživeli pekel. V enem trenutku so poslušali predavanje, v naslednjem so slišali strele. Spet drugi so strmeli v tablo, ko so se obrnili pa videli, kako so šolci krvavijo, bodisi iz noge, bodisi iz glave.
We were talking to each other, but everyone kept swishing each other, and just everyone was pretty scared, and some people were crying, and just people were trying to comfort each other and saying it was gonna be all right, and they were gonna get out of here, and
Storilca Nicholasa Cruza so aretirali nekaj kilometrov od šole, 1 uro po begu iz prizorišča v kraju Coral Springs. Po poročilih FBI-ja se je tako zaključil že 40. aktivni strelski pohod od leta 2000 v ZDA.